Sometimes through the end it's a little not as dirty too. So.
That's all right.
Oh, now it's starting to splash over here. I think what it's doing right now is going around and making all those little doing all of these. That tool is going in and out of each and every one of those.
Right.
Yeah.
So is that like soapy water?
It's a water soluble. It's a water soluble synthetic oil. It's mixed a little bit of the oil to a lot of water. We get a ratio for depending on what type of metal we're machining.
Right.
It's a lubricant and a coolant. It lets us run. There we go. Now it's going to tool change. Okay, it's done. There we go.
That's pretty slick.
Is this the detent balls?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know the little balls?
Yeah.
This is putting all the little balls in. The little detent spot. So it's going to do this part, the other part, and I think it's going to go mark one part or something like that. So then it should change tools again.
That was pretty slick.